Okie dokie 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 dokie. We finally got ourselves repaired.
In a quarter mile, turn right on South Military Road, CRD.
It took, wow, about 2 hours.
900 feet, turn right on South Military Road, CRD.
So we are finally on our way up to Schofield to do our pickup. It is 1:20 in the afternoon now. Wow, it's just something as simple as a license plate lamp can take that long.
I'd like to pop your blow-up Santa. I'd like to bury it in the snow. Why don't you just put up a string of lights? You don't have to put on a show. I don't remember you asking me if I want to look at that or listen to the music hum. I'd like to pop that sucker flat. I know I'm not the arbiter of taste, but do you know that yours is bad? Maybe I should just knock and talk it out, but I don't wanna make you mad. Maybe your kitties derive some joy from plastic that we never had. So I'll just close the blinds and look inside, focus on how that makes me glad. We had a tree and stuff, cookies and peanut brittle, paper chains and popcorn strung. I guess I do miss it a little. We may have had some lights on the eaves. We might have put up a wreath, but I don't recall ever erecting anything to cause our neighbors grief. I'd like to pop your blow-up Santa. I'd like to bury it in the snow. Why don't you just put up a string of lights? You don't have to put on a show. I don't remember you asking me if I want to look at that or listen to the music hum. I'd like to pop that sucker flat. I don't remember you asking me if I want to look at that or listen to the music hum. I'd like to pop that sucker flat. I'd like to pop that sucker. I'd like to pop that sucker flat.
Okay, here's our load. Air conditioning louvers. We got 7 crates of this, which we're going to put 3 straps on each one. We just can't tighten down that hard because that wood is not really supporting, not doing a whole lot to protect it. Then we got this small one with some angle iron in it, some angled you know, different like trim stuff, I guess. So that's going to be the one that's going to be the worst. We're going to put our bulkhead back here. But other than that, simple, easy, light load. loaded, we are strapped down, we are pre-tripped for the trailer. So now all we got to do is head over to the Walmart. We'll take a look at the load in the morning. We'll have plenty of daylight. Like I said, pretty weak boxes on there, but you know, or crating, so it's not exactly you just can't bear down as hard as you may like. So we got ourselves parked at Walmart and went and did a little bit of shopping. Got a few foodstuffs. Now I went into Best Buy looking for the mic adapter for the GoPro, and they don't have it, so I'm going to try a substitute. You know, little dongle from Apple that goes from USB-C to a headphone jack, and see if that works. If not, I'm only out, you know, $9.50 instead of $60 plus for the for that. And being as I'm cold as all get out, I'm going to go here to Olive Garden, and I'm gonna give me a nice big old bowl of spaghetti bolognese or something else that's nice and heavy. But you know, I ain't hit Olive Garden in a while, so we will see what we can do. Plus it's freezing cold out, and I need something to help warm the old bones, and I really don't want to cook tonight.